Hey everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are fixing the problem where your Facebook won't let us upload a profile picture. So whether the image gets stuck, fails to load or shows an error, you can follow up these steps to fix it. So let's head over to our settings for that, and once you're under your settings, go to the connection section and tap on it. After you go to the connection, look out for the Wi-Fi and mobile data that you connected and try switching between those and try uploading again in the Facebook because weak connections can often block the image uploads. Also clear the cache. So within your settings itself, scroll down and look out for the apps option and tap on it. And go ahead and search for your Facebook app here. And once you find your Facebook app, you need to look out for the storage option and select the option of clear cache in the bottom right corner and just go over and upload your photo once again. Also update your Facebook application to the latest version. So go to your Play Store application for that. And within there, go to the search in the bottom and select Facebook. And once you find Facebook, look out for the update option for Facebook. Just go over and tap on update and update your Facebook application to the latest version available. Also, when you're trying to upload profile picture, so head over to your profile like this right here. When you're trying to upload a photo, so you can tap on this photo option and select up a picture for your profile picture. Ensure that the image you are uploading is not extremely large file and it should be in JPEG or PNG form. And also resize the photo slightly, crop a little, and then upload again by tapping on the save option at the top right corner of your screen. Also give Facebook the necessary permission so you can close this up and go to the Facebook and hold it up and go to the info tab at the top. And within there, just go over and look out for the permission section and tap on it. And just go over and give the necessary permissions such as your camera, especially the files and media. So tap on files and media. And just go over and give the access, tap on allow access to media. And that should probably work for you. So those are the solutions you can try out. Sometimes trying after 28 to 48 hours also work. So you can try it out and that should fix the issue. So not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.